Okay guys, so let's head over to PancakeSwap.Finance. We're first going to take you to the exchange. And from here you can connect your wallet if you need to connect your wallet. I'm going to swap some BNB for some cake here. And you can see the price of cake in the bottom left corner. So here I'm going to swap some cake because I want to add some cake to the liquidity pool. So I'm going to type 1 here and swap, confirm swap. Confirm the transaction, and I can view it on BSC scan. It's really important to view your transactions so you can see exactly what's happening. So a transaction successful, you can see the transaction fee here, which is 27 cents, not bad. Perhaps there's a lot of swaps going on right now. And now that I have my BNB and my cake, I can go to the liquidity. So whatever platform you're on, you can click liquidity, and this is going to add it to the pool. So let's click add liquidity, select our pair. So our pair is going to be BNB and cake. And since I have 1.5 cake, I'm going to select max. It's going to take me to my wallet. And you can see the transaction fee here is only 12 cents, which is great in case you want to move our liquidity around. That's one of the great things about Binance Smart Chain. And again, you can follow the same process for Ethereum. Since Binance Smart Chain is forked from Ethereum, you can just follow the same process for Uniswap. So now that I've approved my supply to the LP, confirm the transaction, view it on BSC scan, success. And 45-cent transaction fee. It seems like, wow, this transaction fee is really going up. I've seen it as low as 15 cents. But anyways, let's get back to PancakeSwap here. And we should have some LP tokens in our wallet. So you're seeing at the bottom here, it's showing Cake BNB LP tokens. So what I can do is I can take these tokens to another platform. And again, do your own research. Make sure the platforms that you're using are ones that you can trust. And I can go here and let's see if I can deposit. Yes, I can deposit my Cake BNB LP tokens on Pancake Bunny. And as always, you should be confirming every transaction in your wallet. Never do infinite unlock. That will allow the exchange to do any transaction on your behalf. Again, do not do infinite unlock. Okay. So we've unlocked my wallet. It's now going to put them here for staking. So now it's going to put my LP tokens here. You can see my deposit and also my profit as well. Now if I want to withdraw my funds, I would have to click withdraw. So claim Bunny and withdraw, I would click confirm here. Let's see if it ended up in our wallet. Okay, so there's nothing else left in the pool right now. I'm going to go back to PancakeSwap, back to liquidity. And you can see I have Cake BNB. So I can now remove that liquidity. And let's say I want to remove 25%. Or just for this example, I'll do a measly 5%. Okay? Approve. Confirm. Sign the transaction. And finally, I just click remove. So it's going to take out 0.18 cake. Click confirm. And let's see if that cake is in my wallet. And yes, now that 0.185 cake is now in my wallet, and I have withdrawn my liquidity from the pool successfully. And lastly, before we wrap up this tutorial, there are websites from which you can keep an eye on all of your yield farming. So the one that I use for Binance Smart Chain is called yieldwatch.net. So if we go to Pancake Bunny, you can see I have a total of $81 in the Cake BNB pool. And you can see the APY as well. So this is a great tool, and you can actually use it for free if you wish. There are extra features that you unlock by holding this watch token, but you don't require that to use the platform. So with that, guys, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments, or feel free to join our Discord and leave a message there. Thank you so much for joining, and see you in the next one.